Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Tesla FSD not working after update, restore full self-driving after software update. Fix 1, verify that FSD is still enabled. So open the control and self-driving on the touch screen. Then check that full self-driving supervised is enabled and accept any new safety agreement or prompt that appear after the update. If FSD is disabled, re-enable it and test the system on a compatible road. Fix 2. Confirm your FSD subscription or licenses. Open the Tesla app and check for FSD subscription status. On the vehicle screen, go to the control software. Then verify that full self-driving compatibility appear in the vehicle package information. Now wait a few minutes after connecting to the internet if the update was recently completed. The fix 3. Reboot the Tesla touchscreen. So park the vehicle safely. Then press and hold the steering wheel scroll button. Now keep holding it until the screen turns black and the Tesla logo appear. Then allow the system to fully restart before testing FSD again. Fix 4. Check camera calibration status. So open the control, then go to services. Now click on camera calibration. Now check whether calibration is still in progress. If needed, start camera recalibration. Now drive normally for 15 to 30 minutes or until calibration reach 100%. The community report indicate calibration often restore unavailable FSD feature after the updates. Fix 5. Inspect for warning or safety restriction. So check for alert instead, related to cameras, sensor, door, seat belt or driver monitoring. Now ensure all doors, trucks and funks are fully closed. Now clear any active warning before attempting or engaging FSD community. Then report shows that even a door detected as a slightly open can disable autopilot and FSD function. The fix 6. Complete any pending software update. So connect the vehicle to a stable Wi-Fi network, then go to control and then software. Now check for additional available update and then install any pending software release. The fix 7. Check for FSD suspension. So open control, then go to self-driving, look for any suspension or strike out message, then wait for suspension period to expire if one is active and follow driver monitoring requirement when using FSD. The fix 8. Reset the driver assistant system. Access Tesla service model if available. Perform a driver assistant system reset. Now allow the vehicle to restart and recalibrate if prompted. Then community report. Suggest this can resolve FSD features that disappear after software update. The fix 9. Contact the Tesla services. If FSD remains unavailable after trying to the above fixes, open the Tesla app, create a service request, include screenshots of any error message, then Tesla may be able to diagnose the issue remotely or push a corrective software update. Goodbye and thanks for watching.